Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. Remove the rubber protection from the breather hoses. Remove the breather conduit. This can be done by pushing on the yellow pod of each clip, by hand if you can, or with a flathead screwdriver if you're unable. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the two lug nuts located on each side of the coil. Switch off the power supply to the coils. To do this, leave the holding spur on the connector, then pull on the terminal. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 14mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. We suggest changing the spark plugs one by one. This will help avoid contaminating the engine with impurities. Tip: you can use all the coils to remove the spark plugs.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench, finalizing the tightening with a quarter turn. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Reclip the coil in place and start tightening by hand. Finish off using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Reconnect the power supply to the coil. Reconnect the breather hose and the rubber protection. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.